Learn Flythrough using Excel. Yes, welcome to Prime Project Control. In this video, I'll go through how to create a 3D map fly through to your project using just an Excel. When you open your Excel and when you see the top sheet, just go to the insert. Under insert, you will be noticing a lot of tabs, that is tables, illustration, add-ins, chart, and tools. So we have to do a 3D map tool from Flythrough. So I'll be choosing this open 3D maps. As soon as you click it, a 3D map window will appear, and you can just zoom in, zoom out, rotate, everything you could do in the 3D map window. You can create a scene, two scene. Let me click escape. Just click on the tool editor pane. The tool editor pane will appear here. If you want to have a layer pane, you can add in the layer pane. So now let's work on the scenes. Create a new scene. Copy scene 1 and choose locations such as North America, yeah, so this location you will be choosing for demo purpose. And you can click for flat layout. Click on map labels so that the map will be labeled on the locations. So we'll be choosing West Married School. And the country, okay, Richmond, Santa Rosa. I think probably we are near San Francisco. West Marine School. You can choose the flat map or find location. Then you can click the play tour. So once you click the play tour, here, so we are going to global map to the uh, flat map as we have played. This is simple and this is quite easy to do. I'll play this again. Replay. Then you are moving to the San Francisco, Santa Rosa area, West Marine School layout. That's quite simple to do. I could add in effects by selecting the scene. I can go to the scene options. The effect is no effect, circle effect. So I've added the circle effect. I just use the one, then close, and I'll create a play. So it's circling, and As soon as it completes 10 seconds of circle, it will go to the scene 2, which directly points to the location, the West Mine School. So just beside the, yeah. So this motion is applied as we create scenes. I'll just click escape to go back to the tour editor. So this is probably the easiest way to do in Excel, and you can create your project location. You can add find location. You can find it by adding the address, custom regions. You can add text also. As a West Marine School. I'll just create that. That's it's quite simpler to do without much obligations. You can also change the colors in the theme, like you want to have this theme or this dark theme, or a map. I'll choose the map, then I'll play it again, play tour. So you are rotating the globe now using the circle effect, then it moves to the scene 2 from scene 1, and it becomes flat map. Then you go to the location, West Marine School. Yes, also that you could tilt the map to make it like horizontal view, and you can zoom out and zoom in. So you can tilt either ways, either vertical or horizontal. We have learned how to do this fly through using Excel. We could export this in a video format. Just click create video. Either way, you can select quick export 360 pixel, 720 pixel, or 1080 pixel for presentation requirements. I'll just go for sound options as well. I can select sounds if I have. If I don't have, I'll let it be as it is. Yeah, just click apply, then create. Yes, we are almost done. Hoping to open up the file. Just click open up. Yes, then we are able to see it, the circling part, and so moving towards the location just past 10 seconds, becoming the flat screen. Okay, so you can see the overview around San Francisco, then moving towards the West Marine School. That's all.